what we're going to look at is how to do a very quick macro to open up a user form and add a button. So let's first go to VBA. We're going to do insert module. After we insert the module, let's do open form. So sub meaning subroutine, and the subroutine will be named open form. Open and close parentheses. And what we're going to want it to do is open a form. So in the form will be user form 1 show, and our module is created. Now what we're going to want to do is insert a button. This is under developer tab, and we're going to just add it right here, and we're going to add the open form to it, and let's just name this open form. Now what happens when we click on it? It opens the form, whatever form we have built. Thank you for watching my video. If you did find this helpful, please like and share this video. I really appreciate that. Also, comment down below any questions or ideas you guys may have. That way I can help you guys out with those, and subscribe for future videos.